Namaste. Welcome to Something Creative with Kleina. 2020 has taught us many things. It has made us think differently. The things that we thought we can't do without seems to be not that important anymore. It has taught us that the most important thing in our life is our health. So this festival, let's welcome our friends and family with a health drink. And the most important ingredients that we need for this health drink is the Indian gooseberries or Amla. Amla is undeniably the powerhouse of nutrients, and I'm going to share two variants to this recipe. So let's get started. Here I have taken half a kg Amla. I have washed them thoroughly, and let's cut it into small pieces so that we can grind them into smooth paste. Avla is an excellent source of vitamin C, which helps the body recover from illness. Vitamin C in Avla helps improve immunity. Avla has been used to relieve the symptoms of cough and cold and help to relieve chest congestion. Avla is rich in antioxidant which reduces the risk of chronic health conditions like heart disease, diabetes and cancer. The best time to consume amla is early morning on an empty stomach. It clears your system, aids digestion, helps to maintain clean skin, healthy hair, and good eyesight. The fiber in avla berries help the body regulate bowel movements and it helps remove excess toxin from the body. The soluble fiber in avla berries dissolves quickly in the body, which helps to slow the rate your body absorbs sugar. Avla is also rich in iron, calcium, phosphorus, and can be taken as a complete nutrition drink. It slows down graying, prevents dandruff, strengthens hair follicle. It is the best anti-aging fruit. It helps slow down the aging process. Now that our avla is cut, we will divide it into two parts, one our morning drink and one welcome drink. For the morning drink, we need to add 1 in ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 green chili, 2 strands of curry leaves to the avla. You can adjust the green chilies as per your taste. If you want, you can also add pudina and grind it into smooth paste. If you want, you can strain it, but I would prefer my drink full of fiber, so I will leave the way it is. Here our second, that is our welcome drink, is ready. This is only avla juice. So I have strained it and you can fill a bottle and refrigerate it. I have not added any preservatives to both the drink, but it will easily last for a month. It's time to taste our drinks. For the morning drink, I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of my avla pulp, and as I have not added salt to the pulp, I'll add salt as per taste, and let's fill the glass with water. Give it a good mix and our first drink is ready. For the welcome drink, take 1 teaspoon of avla juice, 1 teaspoon of honey, add water and mix them well. You can increase the quantity of honey as per your taste. My daughter Trishna is going to taste the welcome drink. Taste it and tell how it is, okay?
Okay.
How is it?
Nice.
Nice, you liked it?
Right.
Okay, so this is our second drink. It has all the pulp and ginger and green chili and curry leaves, everything. So you have to continuously stir. So you can see the fiber is all floating. You can see it. So you have to keep stirring, otherwise the fiber will settle down. And this can be had early in the morning. So cheers.
How was it?
It was nice. Hope you all enjoy the drink. So see you in the next video. Till then,
Bye-bye.
bye bye.